This is Toxic Talk coming at you from Fallbrook, California. Keeping it real with that real talk though. We're not doctors or therapists. We're people speaking our minds in Spanglish and uncensored. If you don't like it, don't listen to it. But if you do, subscribe, pero ya. Estamos en vivo hoy aquí en directo con la opinión del grupo tóxico. Y como dice mi tía Ofelia, no son chismes, son pláticas. Well, let's take it to the streets, shall we?
What? You know what bird dog is? What? Bird dog. Never heard of it before. Never really. Whoa.
Stay tuned to the end of this video to check out Fallbrook's talent. And if you have something that you want to get out there, send it to me. And we'll put it at the end of Toxic Talk and see if you got any talent.
Bird dogging is where your so-called friends wait till you go to jail, and then they swoop in like a bird and steal your girl.
Swoop in like a bird and steal your girl.
That is correct.
Bunch of dumb dogs they are. You should have said that.
Good woman on your side, she can get you all the things money can get. Oh yeah, for sure. Hey, I say they're dramatic, but it's worth it.
Thanks.
You as a bumper singer.
I like it. I like it already.
Do you think it took a long time of having that kind of confidence and ideals in your head for women to actually
I had to
believe in your confidence?
I had to be molded. I had to be molded and shit. I knew who I am today.
I can be confident as hell and people can still not believe me. You know, like they can still doubt me and it's like,
Sure.
Is that how you pick up on women?
no.
How does he pick up on me?
Pick up on women.
Like, yeah, like, how,
Get on that.
It's okay. Go to the wedding.
Richie.
I wait till she's hanging. I wait till their boyfriends go to jail.
And then you bird dog it. That's called bird dogging, my friend.
That's it.
It's a good. I like that.
I never been believed. I've never heard that before.
No, I've heard it before. I'm just not getting it.
This is Toxic Talk.
You guys are watching them grow, right?
Interesting. Talk about cero sentimiento. Ooh.
Yeah, hey, you guys can speak in Spanish.
We out here riding this waffle. We out here live. Let's take it to the streets though. What's the difference again?
A hoe gets paid, a slut gets laid, and a whore just gets fucked.
Interesting.
For her, she heard me. And I can take that right now.
Yeah.
And right now, she could be giving me her hell, and I would take that just to hear her talk. Like,
Yeah, I know what
you know what I'm saying? So then you realize that fucking, then you know where you're really at. Where you're really at, you don't have to hurt her if she hurt you. You can be better. You can give her better. Looking back, you can give her better.
I thought about that. I mean, I got in an altercation with a woman.
Well, then don't let them mold you. You mold yourself. So if you let somebody turn you like that, then you're letting them mold you. You need to mold yourself.
True. Yeah,
Because you want to.
Well, yeah, you can't look at shit bitter. Like I didn't fucking come as this young kid, into a band just to turn into something else. Fuck all that.
I mean, I'm comfortable with who I am, and honestly, if nobody is, if there is no better half for me anymore after I like my wife, then I'm fine with that. I can go in solitude. I can go in solitude. It's just wrong.
You're getting pussy. Y'all have to look at it that way.
No, but it's not. Because at the end of the day, it's still, when it leaves, it leaves. It's not is her, so that special person that you want to hold, that special person that you...
He's being too sensitive, I think.
Well, we're all different. There's also cold ass women out there too. There's vice versa. It doesn't have anything to do with male or female. It's just humanity, the way you were brought up, how you were, you know. Everybody though, because there are loyal people out there, loyal women.
Well, no shit.
That do
There's
wait.
loyal guys too.
I, for once, was actually in that position. I waited for a year and a half. I actually moved in with his mother just to prove my loyalty, and I stayed there, and a year and a half went by, he came out, and I was there waiting for him, and I never had issues of yeah, sure, of course, you know, people try, but, you know, I always close my doors, and so, you know, what do you do then?
Yeah.
Say, oh, well, next, you know, I guess, when you're bird dogging?
Oh, well, it depends on the person. I don't bird dog it.
Oh,
I won't do that.
okay.
I refuse to do that.
Right.
Like, I won't do something like that. I would rather give the girl away than to be bird dog. Like, I'm like,
Right.
no, I'll get another one. There's more.
Right, to lose a homie.
I've seen
So
well, no,
that's-
I'm not concerned about him neither. He's,
I know.
you know, it's my friend. We don't have to fight, but I mean, like, I'm not like all putting fucking faith into people or nothing like that. Like, it is what it is. It's just, he's just a guy. How you gonna get on him? But that doesn't mean you're gonna go and, you know what I mean? You're your own man. I'm not fucking that close to anybody.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm like in high school, and he's like past the college. He's
More
like
than acquaintances, I feel you guys. I actually care for you guys around me. You know what I mean?
no.
It's a little bit more than acquaintance, but. I judge you as being the bird dog. It's at the point where, but that's between us.
We're understanding that I don't even want to.
You don't want a bird dog?
No, I don't want to even like.
Are you okay with bird dogging? He's okay with bird dogging as long as he's scoring.
Don't date your homie's exes because if they're not compatible with him, they're probably not compatible with you.
I don't know that. I wouldn't say that.
Yeah, you know what I mean? Like,
Okay, well,
people
no.
are different.
Just because you're friends doesn't mean you're the
You
same type of
can
person.
see the way that she treats him, and then you don't want her to treat you that way.
Well, who cares? If you and the girl have interest, go for it.
Yeah.
Go find out.
You know what bird dogging is?
That's what I was like, what? Bird dogging?
So you don't know what it is? Okay, well,
Pero let's put it here, you know. How was I say, you know, let's say, you know, you're not together, you know, I get like that, you know, and my buddy comes in and obviously, you know, from where
swoops in.
right, swoops in. I mean, I don't think you'd want to go out and say, oh yeah, well, you know,
I got swooped in?
I guess, you know.
No, we're not.
Bobby actually competes with my legs.
Because you took, like, I saw the way you took a sip, like, when I got said, and
No,
bothered you.
well, the thing is, I was trying to think about it, so it's secret. Yeah, that's what I was trying to figure out, like, who...
I was talking about you having sex with.
Oh, no, I don't give a fuck about that.
So I can take a drink right after.
Because
To give you the ability to change the color and
how many times did I tell you, if you can get it, then get it? Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. Is that he told me to take her off his hands. I literally, like,
to bring this boat to the U.S. for the first time. Come and see.
I do remember though, after he told me that, there was still like, I was taking care of her when she was sick, and all of a sudden you show up and you're like, you again. Then you guys kicked me out of my tent,
Smells so good.
and I was sleeping on the couch outside of my tent. I laugh about it today, I really do. I really do. It had nothing to do with it.
And that, my friend, concludes today's topic, bird dogging. Here, Toxic Talk. Some people want to stay anonymous, so it is what it is. Anywho, tune in next week for our next episode, which is about rotation stations. What do you know about that? Do you even know the meaning? Well, if not, tune in. We'll let you know all about it. It's super scandaloso. Till next time. Well, at the end of the day, when you're in a relationship, you should be able to trust your partner regardless if you're in the same room, city, or even locked up in jail. In conclusion, if you can't leave your partner in the same room with the opposite sex and walk out comfortably, you should really double think your relationship. Trust starts with one key, and that's communication. And for the bird doggers, are they friend or foe? Well, I'll leave that up to you. and your judgment. Just know that loyalty is not something that you could break and repair. And besides, in this world, you get what you give. And if you don't know, well, now you know.
Bitch, you fake, you a snake. Yeah, you for the whole crew, you a skank. Fuck your mama, fuck your sister, fuck your babe. Oh wait, your nigga, he with me, he getting paid. And I just hit my plug, he on the way. And your nigga hit my phone, he tryna hang. I don't want your nigga, he a fucking lame. Bitch, you dirty, sucking dick for the dangs. I really smack any bitch in the face. Don't play with me, I'll beat a bitch any day. I chase the bag, bitch, stay in your lane. You think it's funny, bitch, I'll show you how I play.